How to log into Bank of Ireland credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Bank of Ireland credit card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top left corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. With that, you're going to get the option. Select the option for which you want to log in. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the user ID, then type in your date of birth and then click on continue. And in the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. But in the case you have forgotten your user ID, click on this option to recover it. Well, this is how you can easily log into Bank of Ireland credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.